Tata Motors has taken the wraps of the all-new Tata Curvv EV Coupe concept. Just like its other models, even the Tata Curvv EV Coupe adores the brand's signature design philosophy and is based on the new Gen 2 architecture. The new Tata Curvv EV Coupe concept is also longer than the subcompact Nexon EV and will likely measures at around 4.3 meters in length, while its wheelbase too is about 50 mm longer. The bigger wheelbase also comes to its advantage by packing in a bigger battery pack, which will deliver more drive range of around 500 km and better power output. It will go against the likes of the MG ZS EV and Hyundai Kona electric in the Indian market, and the production version of the Tata Curvv EV Coupe is expected to hit the road in 2024. The front end looks kissel and is dominated by the new bold and chunky enclosed panel that's flanked with sleek DRL, while you get to see the same split LED headlight treatment we have seen in other Tata models, while the face still has some of that Tata Impact 2.0 design resemblance. It's the sharpest looking car we have seen from the house of Tata so far. The profile of the new Tata Curvv EV Coupe concept looks distinct and more stylish, and the raked roofline seamlessly merges with its tail. The pronounced haunches too complement the muscular design language, and the angular shoulder line blends with the rear. Speaking of the rear, it looks very muscular, and conjoined taillights too looks very modern. Tata Motors has already confirmed that the new Curvv EV will be a connected car and will have all the latest bells and whistles we have seen in new midsize SUV. The cabin of the concept too look very minimalist and has standalone screens for infotainment and instrument cluster. However, the production car is likely to be more practical on the inside, and we expect it to look drastically different. The Tata Nexon EV has been a runaway success for the India carmaker, and the company is planning to build up on the range with addition of the Curvv EV Coupe. It will be positioned above the Nexon EV in its range, and the company is expecting a good market response even for its newest addition in the EV lineup. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.